Hi! Today we will make plant-based pesto. Let's look at the ingredients. You will need 4 cups of fresh basil, 2/3 of a cup of nutritional yeast, 1/4 of a cup of pumpkin seeds, 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds, 2 or 3 garlic cloves, 1/3 of a cup of extra virgin olive oil, the juice of 1 lemon, pepper, and salt. One of my favorite things about this recipe is that only takes 3 steps to have it ready. The first one, it is that you add all ingredients to food processor or blender. Once you have all the ingredients in the container, then just blend. You will need to wait about a minute or so to have it ready. After blending all the ingredients, then you can store the sauce in a glass container. Put it in the fridge so you can keep it fresh and ready to eat for whenever you want to use it and add it to your pasta or any other protein option. I hope you enjoy it. See you next time.